Welcome back. It's another beautiful day in Southwest Florida. My name's David Peterson, and today we are doing a open house in Kelly Greens, Fort Myers. So this is a beautiful little golf community here. Let's take a look at what's for sale here. Okay, right away we are greeted by this front lanai area, and it is fully enclosed with glass enclosure. Very nice. Not air conditioned in here, so it makes a nice breakfast nook. Let's keep going. Now you can see this has all been remodeled. So they did have some water damage during the last storm. That's common. That's where we live. We live in Florida. And so they completely redid this head to toe. It is beautifully and tastefully redone. Okay, they've got the soft close white cabinets, all brand new stainless steel appliances. This thing is just built to the nines and we love it. This is hardwood floors. So hardwood floors, you do not see these very often. So it's a super luxurious touch when you do. Our first bathroom here, again, this is all brand new. Look at that. Beautiful little bedroom. You've got the laundry nook here. And in here, we've got the rest of the bathroom. And look at that, the granite countertops. Beautiful, beautiful. We love it. Love to see it. Keep going. This is actually a bedroom because it does have a closet. I've got a few of my things in there for the open house today, but tastefully decorated as a study. Have the dining room area. Now this is actually priced to sell. It is priced under what you would find normally in this community. So this will not last long. It is a great deal actually. I'm gonna highlight this one in my newsletter. If you are interested in my newsletter, then I've got links in the description box below where you can find out more information about hot deals that come my way. We have in here a double vanity. So that is another thing that is very uncommon for this community. So they definitely didn't upgraded everything. It's just brand new. This is basically brand new. So we love to see it beautifully and tastefully remodeled.